Ever wondered how massive highways, skyscrapers, or your neighborhood park find their place on the land? The secret lies in the art and science of land surveying, a skill that balances precision with innovation. Land surveying is how engineers, architects, and builders measure and map the world around us. These skilled professionals chart the ground for roads, define boundary lines for new homes, and guide the placement of pipelines that connect cities. Our reliance on surveying dates back thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians used surveying to align the pyramids, while explorers mapped continents and empires grew on the backbone of accurate measurements. Surveyors' tools have evolved from simple chains and compasses to sophisticated instruments. Theodolites let professionals measure minute angles, while total stations combine laser technology for fast, reliable readings. Today, GPS satellites and drones scan vast landscapes from above, transforming months of labor into mere hours of data collection. Curious about surveying your own backyard? You can try it yourself with a few accessible methods. A simple site level with a spirit level and telescope lets you gauge heights for garden terraces. For longer distances, a water level, a clear vinyl tube filled with water, lines up points even when you can't see both ends at once. And a laser level, beaming a bright line through dusk shadows, helps you quickly spot or mark level lines across any project. Surveying remains a blend of science, law, and technology, securing our land, shaping our cities, and laying the path for the future. Every measurement ensures our land is valued, protected, and ready for what comes next.